Next, I'm going to change the way the dates look in here. I would like to pick a style that shows 2 digits for the year. So to do that, I'm going to select from B4 all the way to Z to B12, and then I'm going to go to the formatting that has to do with numbers. Now to do that, I'm going to click at the number launcher in here, which gives me all the options that have to do with formatting those cells. So I click at the number launcher, and it opens up this dialog box. And when I look at numbers, okay, it says that I have all these different ways to show numbers. It recognizes that the numbers that we have here are dates, so it already has that selected. And then over here under type, it gives me the different formats that I could use to have dates be displayed. So I'm going to pick the one that shows the month, the day, and the year with 2 digits. Okay, so now I pick that and click OK, and now I see the dates shown with 2 digits for the year. Next, I want the dependent numbers to be centered on the cell. So I'm going to select from C4 all the way down to C12, and then ask for center. Next, I want to have everything in here that has to do with money to be shown with the $sign on the left hand side, and if the number is bigger than 1,000, to show the comma for the thousands, and then 2 decimals when it comes to showing cents. So I'm going to say starting at F4, actually starting at E4 all the way to net pay, which is I4. I would like those to be shown using the accounting number format. Now when you use the accounting number format, the $sign is always attached to the leftmost portion of the cell, and you cannot make numbers look centered when you use this style. So I'm going to click this, and notice that these numbers right here now show the comma, 2 decimals, and the $sign. Now I'm going to undo the changes that I just made. I'm going to do Control Z. Now I realize that what I need to do here, I also need to do down here. So instead of doing this and asking for the feature, and then selecting this and asking for the feature, what I could have done is the following. I select the range that I want to do something to, and then I say, but I also want this right here. Now if you hold down the Control key and then you select the numbers that you would also like to change. So I'm holding the Control key down and then dragging and selecting the other set of cells. When you use the Control key, you can select areas that are not next to each other. So I was able to select this the regular way, and then you hold down the Control key and select this other thing right here. And now if you ask for the feature that you want, it will be done in the 2 areas at the same time. So I'm just going to click in here, and now I see that all my numbers in here look exactly the way I want them.